Hello Swimmers, in this video I will explain how you can use Careplex Vitals apps, and also I will tell you how you can download in the most easiest way. So please watch till end. In end I will also show you my heartbeat rate. So please watch till end. So let's begin. Firstly, download the application from my description box. In description box, application link available. So simply click on this link and download this application. After download, open this application and register or make your account. Now simple, click on register and enter here your first name, last name, email address, company name. In company name you can write anything and select the nation. After nation, enter your password and confirm password and click on allow and click on next, register. After registration, your app is like working for you. Now simple, click on the first option, status vitals, click on the heart. Now simply search your fingerprint on the camera and you can able to check your heartbeat. Basically friend, it is a fake application. Please don't trust in these types of application. You cannot find your heartbeat from your camera or your finger. This is properly fake app, so please don't install these types of application. Okay friends, go to hospital or the purchase any heartbeat checker. You can check from that. If you like my video, so please click on like, subscribe and click on bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.